Welcome to my next video.
Hello in there, hello. My name is Ditzy and I do balloons. And today we're gonna do the next thing on the list, an airplane. So I'll make a quick airplane for you and then I'll show you how to do it so you can do it yourself. The airplane takes 2 balloons. And there's your airplane. Now I'll show you how to do it so you can do it yourself. First, get a balloon. These are 260 qualatex balloons, and there's a link in the description so you know what to get. Stretch your balloon out and blow it up and leave about this much and burp it. Then make a little bubble and then fold it over so it's about pretty good size, and twist that into the bubble and then pop the bubble through so that won't come apart. Then lay this over on the top of that so it looks like that, and twist it right here and then push that down through the center so it looks like that, and then if you pop this through, that won't come apart. Then if you have some left back here, you can kind of press that out. Take this, fold it in half, and twist this, the tail. Come on, tail. And set this aside. And get another balloon. Stretch it out. Blow it up. Leave about that much. Burp it. Tie it. And then take your 2 ends and tie them together. And take your balloon like this. Here's where you tied it together, and just put it right in the center there and twist it. And then put 1 loop through the other loop so that won't come apart. Then these are the wings. Take these, have fun with it, and put these right through the middle so that 2 of these are on the bottom and 1's on the top. There you go. Straighten this out, and there you have. You can kind of make those wings bigger by pushing them in, shaping them a little bit. And there you have an airplane. Wasn't so hard, was it? Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll talk to you later.
Let me know how yours turn out.